Today, I'm going to walk you through some of the features and the benefits of the Samsung LED monitor. As you can see, the monitor has really sharp and detailed images. This is thanks to the HD resolution. So whether you're watching videos, playing games, working on documents, the monitor ensures that every detail is displayed precisely. The number one key feature for me on this monitor is its ultra slim design. Not only does it look stylish, it also saves on valuable desk space. Also comes with built-in cable management, so you can easily tuck the cables into the stand. No lights or buttons on the front of the monitor, so it gives it that really minimalistic look and free from distractions. And as you can see, the screen has a matte finish, so it cuts down on that reflection and glare a lot. When you hear the word Samsung and display together, you're probably thinking it's fantastic, and let me tell you, it doesn't disappoint. If you've used Samsungs before, you'll know what their colors are like. They're not oversaturated and they're very lifelike and real. I'll run a video so that you can see for yourself what the picture's really like. I'm just going to quickly run you through a couple of the settings on this monitor. As you can see, there's no buttons on here. There's just this little joystick on the back that controls all your settings. So all you need to do is press the joystick and the settings will come up on your screen. To navigate through the settings, you just move the joystick up and down. The great settings on this monitor is the eye saving mode. So when I turn this on, you'll see that the screen will change to an orange tinge. I have the dual setup display, and honestly, I have no idea how I ever worked with just one monitor. This is a game changer.